The harvest festival Makar Sankranti is a seasonal celebration in honor of Lord Surya, the sun god. Welcome to our channel. Namaste Pandichi. Mid-January is the time of year in India when nature brings with it the warmer winds of spring. During this period, India's most prominent harvest festival, Makar Sankranti, is celebrated to mark the end of the winter season while welcoming longer days due to the northward movement of the sun. Also known as Sankranti, this auspicious festival is a seasonal celebration in honor of Lord Surya, the sun god. It acknowledges the sun's arrival in Makara Rashi, that is, the Capricorn zodiac sign. This year, the festival falls on Sunday, January 15, 2023. History of Makar Sankranti. The deity Sankranti, after whom the festival is named, is worshipped as a god. According to Hindu legend, Sankranti killed a demon named Sankarasur. The day after Makar Sankranti is called Kari Din, which is also known as Kinkrant. On this day, the Devi slayed the demon King Karasur. Moreover, the sun is a significant aspect of Makar Sankranti too. Prior to the festival, the sun shines primarily on the Earth's southern hemisphere. However, during the festival time, it begins to move towards the north. This period, known as Uttarayana or winter solstice, is considered to be auspicious according to Hindu faith. The epic of Mahabharata also states that Bhishma, the supreme commander of the Kaurava forces, had awaited the Uttarayana period to embrace his death. How is the day celebrated? The auspicious festival of Makar Sankranti is celebrated with great pomp and joy all over the country. It is considered as a day which brings with prosperity, peace, and happiness. Devotees bathe in the water of sacred rivers such as the Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. According to them, doing so absolves them of their sins. Worshippers also ensure to express their gratitude and pay tribute to the sun god by performing several spiritual acts. Sweets made from sesame and jaggery, such as laddus and chikkis, are shared amongst people. This activity symbolizes a desire for unity, peace, and harmony. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do share it with your friends and family. And hit like button for exciting stories.